Experiencing problems with your Rogers Ignite Internet? Let's address gateway and speed issues. First, ensure your XB series gateway isn't overheating. Place it in a ventilated area. Power cycle it by unplugging for 30 seconds. Use the Ignite app to check for firmware updates. Outdated firmware can cause reboots and speed problems. Next, test your internet speed using speedtest.net or the Ignite app. If speeds are significantly below your plan, consider that multiple devices streaming can impact bandwidth. During peak hours, congestion in your area might also cause slowdowns. If you're consistently experiencing speeds below 50 Mbps of your plan, Rogers offers a speed assurance program for on-site tech visits. If you have an XB8, the Ignite app has AI-driven diagnostics that can auto-optimize your Wi-Fi channel. If problems continue, document these steps before contacting Rogers support at 1-800-ROGERS. Having issues with your Rogers Ignite Wi-Fi pods? These extend your Wi-Fi range but can be finicky. Optimal placement is key. Keep pods within 30 to 50 feet of each other and the gateway, avoiding metal obstacles. Overloading the network with too many pods, more than 5 to 10, can also cause speed drops. Ensure your pods are updated to the latest firmware, version 3.2, as of late 2025 via the Ignite app. The app can also help identify placement issues. For gigabit speeds, using a wired Ethernet backhaul for the pods is essential. Signal interference can also cause issues. Try repositioning the pods slightly. Remember, the gateway acts as the central hub, and pods create a seamless Wi-Fi network using tri-band Wi-Fi 2.456 GHz. As a last resort, try rebooting your pods through the app. If problems persist and you have a larger home, consider that Rogers is exploring 5G fixed wireless access, which may be a potential replacement for pods by 2027.